Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. A sales receipt is what you use when you've been paid on the spot. Think cash, check, or card. So there's no open invoice left to collect. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online company and landing on the dashboard. At the top left, hover your mouse over the Create, sometimes labeled New. A menu drops down with common transactions. Choose Sales Receipt. That opens a clean form designed for point-of-sale style entries. Work your way through the highlighted fields from top to bottom. First, pick the customer. If they're new, you can add them on the fly so their name and contact details are saved for next time. Confirm the sales receipt date. It should reflect the day you received the money because that's when income is recognized on a sales receipt. If you use location or class tracking, select those now to keep your reports organized. Next, choose the payment method. Cash, check, card, or whatever you use, and enter a reference number if you have one, like a check or terminal ID. Decide where the funds should land. If you batch daily deposits, select undeposited funds. If the money went directly to a bank account, pick that account instead. Getting this right makes your bank reconciliation smoother. Now add the products or services sold. In each line, select the item, confirm the description, quantity, rate, and the income account that item maps to. QuickBooks will extend the amounts for you. If the sale is taxable, make sure the appropriate tax is turned on and the customer has the right tax code. You can add a message to appear on the receipt and use the memo field for internal notes that help you later. Scan the totals area. Check subtotal, tax, and total received. Because this is a sales receipt, the amount received should match the total. If there were discounts or partial payments, use the discount field on the form rather than changing item prices so your reporting stays consistent. When everything looks correct, choose Save and Close. QuickBooks records the income and the payment in one step and you're done. If you need to send a copy to the customer, you can reopen the receipt later and email it. That's it. Follow this flow each time you're paid immediately and reserve invoices for sales you'll collect later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.